Okay, I've got one roll from this 2-roll pack of phyllo dough. Just gonna use 1 sheet per muffin tin. And I've got some melted butter. I'm just gonna pour a little bit over each one. It's such an easy dessert to make, guys. We're gonna be starting with some blueberry pie filling. Get your small scoop, and we're just gonna put a little bit in the middle of one of these rows. I love this pie filling because it has whole blueberries in it. It's not just like a jam looking pie filling. Don't need a huge scoop. Just want to put a little bit on top of each of these balled up pieces of phyllo dough. And then we're going to repeat that with this lemon pie filling. It's kind of like a lemon curd. I love lemon pie filling. It is so pretty, perfect for spring or kind of any time that you like a lemon pie. This is so much easier to make than a full pie. And then our last pie filling that we're going to use is peach. I love peaches. They are so good. Sometimes they're kind of hard to find. I actually had to go to a different store just to get the pie filling today. I guess maybe it's a regional thing, maybe it's a seasonal thing. I have no idea. There's enough pie filling in these 3 cans to do 2 batches, but we're just going to only do 1 today. And for the peach ones, I'm just gonna add a little bit of pecan, just to add a little bit of that southern flavor. I like a peach and pecan southern goodness. And we'll decorate the other 2 pies when they come out of the oven. And then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for literally like 15 minutes. Oh my goodness, take a look at these little mini pies. They are so cute. I've already got the pecans on the peach side. I'm gonna be adding a little raspberry on these lemon curd ones. So pretty and so perfect for spring, just like so. And then for the blueberry ones, I'm just gonna add a fresh blueberry on each one, just like so. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a couple more. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one right here. A little taste test. Look at how crinkly it looks. It's gonna be perfect for a little brunch. Absolutely delicious. Make this for your next Easter spread or just enough bake sale.